during these increases in bugs, normally during update cycles, you get a lot of emails from, quote unquote, like experts or agencies that can help you, reactivate your ads manager that's been banned or quickly, troubleshoot whatever issue it is that you're having. Do not press those links and log in.
Oh yeah,
okay?
That's a really good point.
Yeah,
phishing.
Yeah, it's more often than not, it's a phishing scam. It's sometimes yes, Facebook does reach out to you only if you've like submitted like a support ticket, or if you have like notifications on for when like your ads are approved, things like that. Then they do send like automated kind of meta just notifications. But if you're getting, hey, I'm so-and-so from, your Meta concierge team, and I'm just here to help you solve it. It's like, no, it's more often than not, they know you're having these issues.
Meta won't just reach out to you.
Yeah, it's like, don't click on any links or log in. If you're confused about who it is, or if you're confused about like the legitimacy of the email, like, okay, ask or Google it. More often than not, like people will say, hey, this is spam, or Facebook will have community guidelines that say, hey, if you receive something from these people, it's not us. But just don't click on anything. Yeah. Because they don't ask you to log in through your email. You're most of the time already logged in when you're troubleshooting these things.
Right.
Like,